Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed a sweeping immigration bill, SB 1718, into law on May 10, 2023, and it will take effect on July 1. The bill aims to crack down on illegal immigration and imposes some of the toughest penalties and restrictions in the country. The bill affects undocumented immigrants from all countries, including Jamaica, who make up a significant portion of Florida's immigrant population. Here are some of the main provisions of the bill and how they could impact undocumented Jamaicans living in Florida. The bill requires all employers in Florida to use E-Verify, a federal system that checks the employment eligibility of workers. Employers who fail to use E-Verify or knowingly hire unauthorized immigrants will face fines of $1,000 per day until they prove that their workers are legal citizens. They will also face sanctions and possible revocation of their business licenses. This could make it harder for undocumented Jamaicans to find jobs or keep their current ones. The bill prohibits local governments from issuing identification cards to anyone who cannot prove their lawful presence in the United States. This could limit the access of undocumented Jamaicans to essential services, such as health care, banking, and education. The bill authorizes the governor to create an unauthorized alien transport program that would allow him to relocate undocumented immigrants who are detained by federal authorities to other states or countries. The bill appropriates $12 million for this program, which could result in undocumented Jamaicans being deported or sent to places where they have no ties or support. The bill requires hospitals that accept Medicaid to collect and report data on the immigration status of their patients. This could discourage undocumented Jamaicans from seeking medical care or expose them to immigration enforcement actions. The bill makes it a criminal offense to transport, harbor, or shield an unauthorized immigrant from detection, unless it is for humanitarian purposes or by a licensed attorney. You will face penalties ranging from $500 to $5,000 per person and up to 5 years in prison. This could put undocumented Jamaicans and their families, friends, or advocates at risk of prosecution and imprisonment. The bill has been criticized by immigrant rights groups, civil liberties organizations, business associations, and some local officials as unconstitutional, discriminatory, costly, and harmful to Florida's economy and society. The bill is also likely to face legal challenges in court. However, until then, undocumented Jamaicans in Florida will have to cope with the new realities and uncertainties created by the bill.